You are welcome to Remit Trade Academy. My name is Paradise and I will be bringing you this crypto analysis video. Bitcoin is trading at 27k and we are seeing this divergence coming to the market. It's not yet confirmed. I want to talk about this in today's video. And on the 4-hour chart, a very important resistance level that is resisting the market right now. What are we expecting on the chart? And on ETH, the same key resistance resists the market from going up. Is the market going to come back down to this very level of support, that is $1,758, or market is going to from here break and move straight to the upside? And on Matic, remember I gave a signal on Matic and it has hit target. I am also going to talk about this and many more in today's video. Please watch this video to the end. If you are new to this channel, please help subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more updates like this every single day. Also check the channel for all that educational content. Leave a like and don't forget to share this video. On the 1-day chart, BTC, I told you that the market is going to move to the upside and that there is a potential bullish divergence coming to the market right now, not yet confirmed. That is why I did not put this very line on the chart. But if you look at it very well, you see that there is a reduced momentum on the histogram to the upside. That means bars here are reducing slightly to the positive side of the histogram, and that means that the market is going to go up soon. So what I am paying attention to, especially on this chart, is a move of this on the positive side. Once I begin to see a positive green bar on the MACD, and then there is a crossover between the MACD line and the signal line at this very point. Once that crossover occurs, then the market is going to move to the upside. So even though we see the market move slightly down, I am still expecting this to occur, and once that occurs, we're going to see the market begin to move to the upside, and that is a buy indication. For our chart, if you look at it, I talk about this divergence, and this is a bullish divergence on the chart. After this divergence on the market, right from this point to this very level, you see the market begin to move to the upside, and if you take this trade, you should be in profit on BTC for our chart. After then, this is what is resisting the market right now at this very point of resistance. See resistance here. We have support at this very area, we have support here, and we have resistance here, and we have resistance at this very point. Support turned resistance is an important resistance, and if you notice, market is coming slightly to the downside with decreased momentum on the MACD. Notwithstanding, you have to pay attention to this very level of support. For me, I am expecting the market to break this level of resistance and move to the upside. So once that breakout occurs, the market is going to move to the upside, and what you need to look out for is a bullish candle that closes above this very resistance. Once you see that bullish candle that closes above this resistance, then market is going to move to the upside. Reason why is because of the 1-day chart. On the 1-day chart here, you see the market is moving downwards slightly. Once this divergence is confirmed, which is a bullish divergence, then the market on the 4-hour chart is going to move to the upside. You have to understand how to trade different time frames or do analysis on different time frames so that you can have high probability trade. That is the way you can actually outsmart the market, by monitoring the market on different time frames and how to synchronize these different time frames together to give you high probability trade. So this is what I'm expecting right now on the 4-hour chart BTC. Market should break this very area. If the market did not break here, the market is going to come back down to this very area where we see the market move from in the past. That is this level of $26,200. And on ETH, if you look at this, the same thing, market have been here for over a week now at this very area of resistance. Right at this point, you see the market being here with a lot of rejection candles at this very area. We have support at this very point, and if you go back, we have support right here as well with this very rejection candle as well. What it implies is that the market is having difficulty to break this very level of resistance, and once the market break this level, it is a guarantee market is going to move sharply to the upside. So what I am looking out for on ETH 1-day chart is a breakout on this resistance level, and that breakout have to be a bullish candle that closed significantly above every other candle within this very level of resistance. Once you see that, the market is going to move to the upside. Remember, in my last video I did an analysis on ETH 1-day chart, and there is the same divergence that we are seeing on the 1-day chart ETH. So this same thing on BTC, divergence, which is a bullish divergence, also appear on the ETH 1-day chart. In combination with what we are seeing right now on the chart, if that divergence plays out, which is a bullish divergence, the market is going to move straight to the upside immediately this breakout occur on ETH. And if market did not break out, expect the market to come back right down, because there is enough resistance at this very point right now. So this is what you need to pay attention to on ETH for our chart. And on the Matic USDT, remember I gave a trade right here. On the first thing we see here is a divergence as well, right on this area on the chart, and on here from this area to this very point on the indicator, which is a bullish divergence, and after that market moved to the upside. From what you've seen so far, you can attest that if you know how to trade divergences in the market, it can give you a 80 to 90% winning trade. That means you don't need to use divergence alone. There is a way I teach divergence in our course. You need to apply it with other price action tool and other technical indicators. Once you do that, you will have a high probability trade. If you look at this on the WhatsApp group, this is a signal group where the market hit target. Our profit target has been hit on Matic. This was a trade I gave, and this was our profit target 0.88 to 0.90. And if you look at the market right at this very point, you discover that the market have already hit target. Right at this area is a rejection candle, and the reason why I took this as our first target is that the market reject from this very area. So I was expecting that if the market come and break from this level of resistance, it will get into this very area of resistance on this spike and then come back down. And exact same thing we are seeing right now, because the market have to reject, because there was a rejection from this very area of resistance as well. Markets obey history. That is how the market works. So what I am still expecting on Matic is for the market to come back down a little bit, and I am going to find a buy position within this area of support. And once that occurs, then the market is going to move to the upside again on this very chart. This is what I'm expecting, and also looking to trading from this very area of support right here. Where the market is right now is not a good place to trade for me. Markets have to come back down a little bit and give me a nice probability entry. And on BNB USDT, this resistance is very, very key. Key resistance level. We see market resist here, resist at this very point, resist at this very area, and this very point is resisting the market. That means is a very, very important resistance, and we need to pay attention to it. A breakout here, like I said, on other 4-hour charts, the market is going to ride to the upside. Once we see a breakout with a significant bullish candle to the upside, the market is going to move to the upside. So pay attention to this breakout, and if the breakout did not happen, then know that the market is going to come back down up to this very point where the market moved from in the past. That is this level of $330. This is what I am expecting on BNB USDT 4-hour chart. What do you think about the markets right here on the 4-hour chart BTC? Do you think this market is going to break at this level of resistance, or we are going to see the market come back right down to this very area, then come back up again before the main breakout for the market to move to the upside? Comment below in the comment section of this very video. And if you want to learn how to do simple technical analysis for profitable trading, check the description of this video. You see a contact, reach out to me immediately and learn how to do simple technical analysis for profitable trading. Please help subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more updates like this every single day. Thank you for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next video.